Alright, so let's just get started. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you open it, you will find the chat 3. GPT 3.5 version, which is free for everyone. But for this integration with Canva, you need to have the chat GPT 4, which is a paid version. So once you click on this ChatGPT 4, make sure that you enable the plugins. For that, you need to go to the settings and beta. Just click on it, and from there you click on this beta feature and make sure the plugins are enabled. So you just need to enable these plugins, cross, and once you enable it, just click on ChatGPT 4 and click on this plugins beta. So once you click on this, now you can see you'll find these plugins underneath the ChatGPT 4. So you need to click on this, scroll down to the bottom, click on this plugin store, and from here you can search the Canva plugin. Here it is. So I've already installed it. You just need to click install and it will get installed. Just close it, and once you install it, you will find it in all the plugins that you have already installed. You just need to click on this Canva to make it enable. So once it is enabled, you can type any sort of prompt which you require to create the content. So let's say write me a post about the gym with an attractive background image, having a solid punchline. Okay, once you enter the prompt, it will automatically sense that you are asking Canva to create those sort of images. So it will automatically call Canva and will generate multiple social media posts for you. So this is as simple as it is. So the good thing about this plugin is that it will prompt you multiple options, and if this suits your requirement, you can simply go ahead and use these templates. But if you need to customize it, you can simply click on the link below and it will take you to the Canva, and from there you can customize each and every content of this image. So let's say you need to change the size, you can change it. You need to change the background image, you can also do that. You need to change the styles from this, let's say. So I can pick and choose in different styles, different themes. I can select it and it will simply apply to this template. So this is all free. This is all free. The editing is all free, and most of the people uses Canva for free, and unless it has some premium kind of content, you always use it for free. So let's try another prompt. Let's say let's get back to the ChatGPT and try to write as create me a logo for my men's sneaker startup. Again, it will sense it, but sometimes due to some hiccup, if it doesn't enables Canva due to some XYZ reasons, you can always guide ChatGPT that use Canva to create logos, or use Canva to create your social media posts. So let's just select any of the templates which is provided by the ChatGPT, and so the ChatGPT has provided me many options. So let's just select one and customize it according to your need. So let's just select this template, and it will take me to the Canva, from where I can have options to customize this template. So let's just ask Poi I usually use. It is similar to ChatGPT. I use this a lot, so it's a good tool. You should try it out as well. So suggest me some names for my latest men's sneaker startup. So it will prompt me multiple names, and you can select from the suggestions. So let's just take Footflex. I think Footflex is going with this logo. So Footflex. So this is as simple as that. You can change your styles. I'll make another detailed video and walk you through the Canva and the options that it provides you to create different logos, different social media posts. It has a lot of templates. Some are premium and some are absolutely free for use. So I'll make a detailed video for that. So you can simply select multiple styles according to your need and desire. I think this looks pretty much okay. So Footflex, and this is it. You're good to go, and you can utilize this. You simply download it in PNG format, and there you go. This is as simple as that. So it's a very powerful tool. The combination of this ChatGPT and Canva is very powerful. You don't have to worry about designing. You can simply type a prompt, and it will give you the options, and you can simply select that option and customize it according to your need. I hope you guys find this video very useful and you'll use it to your advantage. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, head down below, hit like, subscribe and share button so that you are aware of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.
Whizz Info, keeping you informed.